Is your Rheem AC starting and then stopping after only a few seconds? This is called short cycling, and it's a common issue. Short cycling indicates an imbalance or problem within the AC system, causing the compressor to shut down prematurely as a safety measure. Ignoring it can lead to more significant damage. So let's diagnose and solve it. Several factors can cause your Rheem AC to short cycle. These include low refrigerant levels due to leaks, a faulty capacitor or relay preventing proper startup, overheating or overload triggered by sensor electrical issues disrupting the startup cycle, and blockages or clogs impeding airflow. Low refrigerant levels due to leaks are a primary cause of short cycling. When refrigerant escapes from the system, it creates insufficient pressure, triggering the compressor's safety shutdown to prevent damage. This often occurs in older units where coils corrode over time. A faulty capacitor or relay prevents proper startup of the compressor. The capacitor delivers the initial surge of power needed to start the motor, and if it's defective, the compressor will start briefly but fail to run continuously. Similarly, a malfunctioning relay can interrupt the power supply, causing short cycling. Overheating or overload occurs when sensors detect high temperatures or excessive current draw. The compressor shuts down as a safety measure to prevent overheating of the motor or other components. This is common in hot climates or when the AC is working harder than designed. Electrical issues such as voltage fluctuations or faulty wiring can interrupt the compressor's startup cycle. When power delivery is inconsistent, the motor may start but fail to maintain operation, leading to short cycling. Proper electrical connections are crucial for stable AC performance. Blockages or clogs from dirty coils or filters impede airflow, forcing the compressor to cycle rapidly as it tries to cool the system. This not only causes short cycling, but also reduces efficiency. Keeping the unit clean is essential for proper operation. These are the primary causes of short cycling in Rheem AC systems. Understanding these factors helps in diagnosing and fixing the issue effectively. Low refrigerant levels are a frequent cause of Rheem AC compressors starting and then stopping after a few seconds. When refrigerant is low, the system pressure drops, triggering safety shutdowns. One way to check refrigerant levels is through Rheem's Smart app. The app provides real-time diagnostics and system status, helping identify low refrigerant issues before they cause short cycling. Alternatively, use a pressure gauge to measure refrigerant levels directly. For R410A systems, normal operating pressure is typically between 250 and 300 psi. Low readings indicate refrigerant loss. Signs of refrigerant leaks include corrosion on the coils and pipes. These leaks cause the refrigerant to escape, leading to low levels and short cycling. Inspect the unit regularly for these visible signs. If refrigerant levels are confirmed low, do not attempt DIY recharge. Contact a certified technician who can properly recharge the system and seal any leaks to prevent recurrence. As of 2026, many modern Rheem AC systems use R32 refrigerant instead of R410A. This eco-friendly option reduces leak risks, but it's crucial to use the correct refrigerant type during any service or recharge. The capacitor provides the initial power surge to start the compressor motor. A faulty capacitor can prevent the motor from running continuously. Similarly, the relay controls power flow to the compressor. A malfunctioning relay can disrupt this power supply. Use a multimeter to test these components for proper function. If either component is defective, replace them with the correct Rheem-compatible parts. Always ensure the correct voltage rating when replacing the capacitor. DIY fixes for these issues typically cost between $50 and $200. Overheating is a common cause of Rheem AC compressor short cycling. When the compressor or surrounding components get too hot, built-in sensors detect the high temperature and trigger an automatic safety shutdown to prevent damage. Blockages from dirty air filters or clogged coils can also cause short cycling by restricting airflow. When air can't flow properly, the compressor works harder, leading to rapid cycling as it tries to maintain pressure equilibrium. To address these issues, ensure the AC unit is clean and free of obstructions. Clean the evaporator and condenser coils regularly, and replace dirty air filters at least every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. Regular maintenance is key to preventing overheating and blockages. Proper airflow is critical for efficient operation and helps avoid the stress that leads to compressor short cycling. Voltage fluctuations or wiring problems can also cause short cycling in Rheem AC units. These electrical issues disrupt the normal operation of the compressor, leading to the short cycling behavior. To troubleshoot, first check for loose connections or damaged wiring at the unit. These can cause intermittent power supply that triggers the compressor to shut down prematurely. Use a multimeter to test the voltage at the unit. This tool measures electrical voltage to ensure it's within the proper range, typically around 220 to 240 volts for most AC systems. Electrical problems can be dangerous, so prioritize safety. Never attempt complex electrical work without proper knowledge and equipment. If electrical issues persist after basic checks, consult a qualified electrician. They have the expertise and tools to safely diagnose and repair complex electrical problems. Some AC compressor fixes, like capacitor replacement, are suitable for DIY enthusiasts with basic tools and safety knowledge. In one case study, a homeowner used Rheem's mobile app to identify a refrigerant leak in their unit. A professional technician then repaired it for just $450, preventing the need for a full $2,000 replacement. However, another case shows the dangers of DIY repairs. A homeowner attempted to replace a capacitor but ignored voltage checks, resulting in electrical shorts that damaged the circuit board. These examples highlight the importance of knowing your limits. When in doubt, consult a professional to avoid costly mistakes and ensure safe operation of your Rheem AC system. Prevent short cycling with regular tune-ups every 1 to 2 years. According to expert data, this can reduce incidents by up to 40%. Rheem's newer EcoNet-enabled units feature AI-driven sensors that detect issues early, allowing for timely intervention. Current trends include IoT integration for predictive maintenance, achieving 85% accuracy in detecting potential failures. Eco-friendly refrigerants such as R32 are gaining popularity, significantly lowering the risk of leaks that cause short cycling. Looking ahead, Rheem's 2027 models will feature fully variable speed compressors designed to eliminate short cycling entirely, promising substantial energy savings of up to 30%. Proactive maintenance remains the key to preventing AC issues and ensuring long-term system reliability.